Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you a new money-making strategy that will help you earn extra income in every 2 minutes. It is free and available in all countries. A perfect side hustle for starters and people that are working at home. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure not to miss any detail in the video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first step is to go to google.com from any internet connected devices such as a smartphone, a tablet, computer, or laptop. I want you to go to Google. And that will be our first step because as always, I'll go over everything step by step so that everyone can follow along with me once the video is finished. Once you finish all of the processes, you'll be ready to go out and start making money. So for now, I'd like you to go through each one with you as I teach you. Go to google.com and search for Capterra in the search box. I'd like you to enter letters CAPTERRA into the search box and then press enter. I need you to go to the first website, Capterra.com, where you may learn about the best software, software equipment, and software reviews. This is what you'll see when you visit Capterra.com. It's a venue, a tool, a website, and a platform that will pay you to post software and program reviews. Don't worry, you don't have to buy that software, and you definitely don't have to use it. You should be able to accomplish the work in less than 2 minutes, if not less. I'll demonstrate how to do it. There are more than 700 different software and program categories to evaluate, each with hundreds of different software packages. You can review any of the digital products available on the internet and receive $10 for each one you review. Now, if you stick with me, I'll show you how to do it in under 2 minutes and make over $10 over and over again without having to buy the software. To demonstrate that this website works in general and that individuals benefit from it, you can see that they have over 1,003,000 views, and you can easily calculate how much money people have gained utilizing Capterra.com by looking at their statistics. If you do the math, you might wonder why they would pay you $10 for each review that takes less than 120 seconds to write. That's because the owner of the program or product is willing to spend that much money in exchange for more 5-star reviews and positive feedback, which will give them more social proof. As a result, they'll be able to sell a lot more items. It's a good return of investment when you get to Capterra.com, which is why they'll pay you $10 for less than 2 minutes of work. The final step is to click here when it says Submit a Review, which will take you to the page with thousands of companies and thousands of products for which you may write a review. You can find such items and companies right here, as well as share your software shopping experiences with others. When someone wants to buy software or a digital product, they will most likely go online to learn more about it and read what other people have to say about it. And if the reviews are positive, they are more likely to purchase the program or product, which is why Capterra is willing to pay you. You can post reviews for things like Google's Gmail, as you can see. Telegram, Slacks, Wix, Venmo, and more services are among the options. These are just a few of the most popular software packages for which you can write reviews and earn money. But there are literally dozens of additional products for which you can write reviews and earn money. So there will be plenty of opportunities to make money with Capterra.com. Now, if you select Browse Categories, you'll be presented with tens of thousands of distinct software categories from which to choose. Here you'll find anything from business software to customer support software to data gathering software to email software and more. Each software review you write will earn you actual money. As you can see, one website alone offers a wide range of alternatives. Let's imagine you want to create a Telegraph software review. There's a great trick that will save you time and money instead of just clicking on it and posting the review right away. It is to replicate the product's genuine title and name, and then search for a software review on Google. Of course, you can find all of the reviews here on the internet, and even Capterra.com can give you an idea. So I can look at how other people are doing it, what they've written down about it, and how they've done the reviews on this website. As you can see, this is an example of a successful review. You may read what he has to say about Telegram here. And with that information, you'll be able to evaluate the software without having to buy it. You can change the information to make it your own, but you should not copy and paste it because it will not work. Just get a hold of a copy of the software. This will save you a significant amount of time and money because you will not have to spend hours upon hours learning about the software and identifying its benefits and drawbacks. Nor will you have to spend hundreds of dollars on the software just to write a simple review. Simply skim over the reviews and underline the most important topic. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. You already know the most significant aspects of the product, such as its benefits and drawbacks, as well as your overall experience with it. So creating your own is simple. I'll show you an example of how you might have an idea, spend a lot of time and money writing a review, yet never really buy the thing. Let me show you a real-life example of how you'll actually finish a review and perform what I just demonstrated at the beginning of the video. You go to Capterra, click Submit a Review, and you're transported to this page where you may select whatever company's products or program to examine. Let's suppose I'd like to write a Telegram software review. Simply click it to be taken to this review submission page, where you'll be asked to provide some personal information. Now, I'd like you to fill in your first and last names, as well as your email address and other personal information you may have. It will then ask you some more questions, such as how often do you use the software, and I recommend selecting daily, weekly, rather than monthly or other because that will show that you aren't utilizing the software enough, and your review will be denied. As a result, I advise you to stay in your current job and use the software on a daily basis. Because you bought the software, you're clearly merely a user, which is the first of 3 tasks we need to do. Now you can move on to the next one by pressing the next button. All you have to do now is rate the software as well as the package's overall value and quality. You can simply look at what others have said in the past. This one got a 5-star rating overall, and believe me when I say that the better the review and more positive the feedback, the less likely it will be accepted. People who consistently give everything on a 1-star rating. If the software is truly good based on other people's rating, it's usually better to leave a 5-star review. Despite the fact that they're all optional, you might give it a 4 for this one, a 5 for this one, and a 5 for this one if it was easy to use. Other aspects can now be rated. This is optional, but the more you rate, the better your chances of earning money are. If you don't mind picking some of them, you don't have to complete them all. Following that, you'll decide how Telegram's pricing stacks up against similar products. You may comment on whether it was way too expensive, in the middle, or not at all affordable. I was simply interested about the cost and whether you would recommend the software. I'd give this scenario a 9 out of 10, but you don't have to copy and paste my answers because they'll differ depending on the program and firm you're evaluating. Simply press the next button after that. Giving your review a title is the final step. You can learn a lot from other people's review. For example, because Telegram is the best community platform available, I'd say something along the lines of Telegram is the best free community software available, or something like that. You are not required to copy and paste the full title. You may make minor changes. Now you'll write the product's benefits and drawbacks to tell us what you like about it. You can obtain an idea for the downside by reading other people's reviews and then writing it fast, like I previously stated. If you get an idea from someone else's review, just tweak it a little and rewrite it in your own words to make it your own. You can leave it blank if you like, but filling it out will give you a better chance. The more forms you fill out, the more information you supply, and the more money you get. When more individuals and more program owners approve your evaluations, the more forms you fill out, the more information you provide, and the more money you earn. So if something says optional, don't leave it blank. Don't be a slacker. I know it'll only take a minute or two, but it'll be well worth your time. After that, you can choose whether or not to move to a different product. You may, for example, check yes and then describe why you switched from one product to another. Let's say this person didn't do anything, but he did, and his WhatsApp account was deleted. I may seek for WhatsApp software right here, WhatsApp by WhatsApp. And by submitting this review and hitting submit, I'll get this box. You can analyze all of these different softwares as I've shown. As you can see, there are currently over 100 softwares in this area to choose from. Hundreds more from the B category, hundreds more from the C category, and so on. The list goes on and on. These are only different types of software to evaluate. Therefore, there will never be a shortage of money to be made from this website. So go to cupdata.com and begin reviewing softwares, submitting your ratings, and earning money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you can earn extra income in every 2 minutes. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.